What made you decide to develop products?
Well, I've been involved in the denture biz for almost 50 years, and in all that time, I have seen incredible advances in dental technology and dental home care. But the denture wearers have been sorely neglected. For the last 25 years, we've been working and developing products that specifically address the needs and wants of my patients. We have developed other products that other companies have never even thought of. Cleanadent Paste, the only toothpaste that's recommended by the American Dental Association for fixed hybrids or all-on-fours. The denture and mouth toothbrush, extra soft, specially designed bristles to fit the ridges, the gums, and the palate. Cleanadent wipes for on-the-go hygiene, and they're perfect to polish implants for overdenture snap-ins, and of course the ultrasonic cleaner. We've really filled a tremendous gap, a void that was out there in the denture and dental appliance care market that really it took my patients and me to come up with. All of our solutions literally came out of my patient's mouth. And now we're putting them right back in there.